Hi, I'm Jillian Thompson. I'm a conservation engineer with the Nature Conservancy in Rhode Island. We are here at the boat ramp in Westerly, where we are currently replacing it. So since last time, we've made a lot of progress here. As you can see behind me, we have a sheet pile cofferdam in the water, just large sheets of metal driven into the ground so we can pump it out, working to dry. The dock's been completely removed. The boat ramp slabs have been completely removed. And we also have a new concrete abutment formed. And so the concrete abutment is a new feature to this site. Our floating docks will be attached to it, and it will provide accessibility to everybody. The work on the boat ramp will continue through the winter. We are hoping to be done by the beginning of May so that as warmer weather comes in, boaters can get out on the water. I am down here weekly checking on the progress. I will be sure to keep you updated.